The 2025 Toyota Camry continues the proud legacy of this popular sedan, building on decades of reliability and innovation. Reviews consistently highlight the Camry's refined performance, updated design features, advanced technology integration, and comprehensive safety systems. This review specifically acknowledges the Toyota Georgetown, Kentucky factory team, recognizing their critical role in manufacturing excellence and quality craftsmanship. The Georgetown facility is renowned for its efficiency, rigorous quality control processes, and the exceptional craftsmanship of its workforce in delivering reliable vehicles. The Georgetown plant contributes significantly to Kentucky's economy, representing decades of automotive manufacturing excellence and community partnership. The 2025 Camry delivers impressive engineering with multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient four-cylinder engine and a robust V6 variant, both designed for optimal performance and reliability. The exterior design showcases Toyota's commitment to modern aesthetics, featuring bold lines, refined proportions, and attention to detail that reflects the craftsmanship standards maintained at the Georgetown facility. Inside, the Camry offers premium materials and thoughtful design elements. The interior reflects Georgetown's attention to quality assembly, with precise fitment and durable components throughout the cabin. Advanced technology features include an intuitive infotainment system and comprehensive safety suite. These systems undergo rigorous testing to meet Toyota's quality standards before leaving the Georgetown plant. The Georgetown, Kentucky manufacturing facility plays a crucial role in the Camry's exceptional quality. This state-of-the-art plant has been producing vehicles for over 3 decades, establishing a reputation for precision and excellence. Skilled workers at Georgetown employ precise manufacturing processes and innovative techniques. Their dedication to quality ensures every Camry meets Toyota's rigorous standards for durability, performance, and reliability. The Georgetown team's commitment to excellence directly translates to the 2025 Camry's outstanding quality and reliability. Their craftsmanship ensures each vehicle delivers the performance and durability Toyota customers expect.